BG Group, or I should say the origin of BG Group, has been present in the LNG industry since the very beginning of commercial LNG, around 50 years ago. Over the past decade, BG has been a leading company to develop the portfolio business model with multiple supply sources, multiple markets, and flexible LNG. With over 75% of the LNG produced coming into Asia, it's not surprising that BG also focuses in Asia and actually delivers most of its LNG into Asia. For example, in 2014, we traded 11 million tons of LNG, so that's about 178 cargoes. And among those cargoes, 121 actually ended up into Asia. So Asia is important for BG, and we believe that our business model enables us to react to the market changes and also to the changes of our clients' needs. Singapore is an excellent place to do business. BG relocated its headquarters for its global oil and gas activities last year in Singapore. In Singapore, we are in the heart of Asia. We are close to our clients. We also see Singapore as a hub of people where companies open and grow offices and establish their trading expertise. BG is the aggregator of the first 3 million tons of LNG into Singapore. We have been appointed by the EMA in 2008, and commercial deliveries started in May 2013. So it's now been 2 years of safe and reliable operation in Singapore. We contributed to the diversification of the energy mix in Singapore and also increasing security of supply. Last year, we delivered 28 cargoes into Singapore. And actually this year, we're going to deliver BG's 50th LNG cargo. We still have 370,000 tons of LNG left to market, and we expect to close out our existing franchise later this year. I think a key success factor has been the strong relationship that we have developed with the key stakeholders, the government agencies, the various downstream buyers, and also the terminal owner and operator. The LNG market is expected to grow by around 5% per annum. So by 2025, LNG trade will be greater than 400 million tons. Such growth is essentially underpinned by Asia, with huge potential in Southeast Asia, India, and China. By 2025, we'll see new importers with new business models and also new demand profiles. Existing markets will mature, and some of them may emerge into regional gas hubs. How long it will take for those regional gas hubs to look like NBP and TTF in Europe or Henry in the USA is uncertain. What is certain, though, is that by 2025, Asia will remain the key market for LNG.